Burp. Burp for Kevin, James, and Danny. Ready? Burp alternates one time.
Kevin, James, Danny.
Holy macaroni! That was a lot.
Susie, I love you.
Shit, there's Grandel.
Burp his name.
Mufasa.
Shit, he's right.
You burp so loud and they're like, oopsies. Amanda has crabs. Is that what you burp? What?
Susie!
Oh, do that tantrum you were having earlier. Yoonho Jung.
You know, ooh, that tickled. That tickled. Ready? You want to see my Yoonho Jung face? Why he's so close? Ready? Look. I love you, oh Susie, oh Susie. Why can you not marry me? I fell in love with you at first sight. Why can't you marry me? You're so beautiful. Oh God!
That's my mom you're singing about.
Susie, why did you leave me?
My dog is all creeped out. He's walking away.
I hope that my dog sits next to you and fart or
Oh my God! I will smell it every night.
will make a scratch and sniff just for you.
You bit my camera.
Snatch and script. Snatch, snatch, script. Ew, Kendall has huge ass. Snatch, snatch. No. If you bring this on YouTube, you're so dead.
Holy crap.
Beckham, you better stay out of the
Kevin!
Oh my God. That was scary. Burp another sentence for him.
Yeah.
Oh, that's my doggy. Beckham, look up. Beckham. Hi, baby. Ready? Something for Kevin. Go.
I love you.
I love you, baby.
Not Kevin! Cause see, Kevin, you remind me of a frog. But we need to turn you green, and then we can go hippity hoppity hop.
What?
That's what frogs do. Frogs jump. Bunnies hop. Do you understand, Kevin? Do you know what a tampon is? Oh my God, let's go into that story, Kevin. You need to know what a tampon is.
Oh my God.
My mom doesn't even know what a tampon is, so don't worry. It's okay. I'm just joking. My mom doesn't know what a tampon. But see, you're Asian, and Asians don't know what tampons are.
That's racist, Nadia.
I'm joking, Kevin. But your mom does it. Ah!
But
No, hold on. You know who doesn't know what tampons are? Your cousin.
Which
Yeah,
one?
the ugly one. James.
Oh my God. James
I'm sorry,
isn't
James, but
ugly.
like, ew.
Nadia,
I'm
you're
sorry,
being
your
mean.
face, it looks like a mushroom. It's very deformed. It looks like a ball's penis. I'm sorry, James. And you in that picture, what's this about? It looks like you're about to suck your thumb. I can do it too. It's so sexy. And Danny, let's not even go there. I don't even know you.
You've never even seen him.
You look like Susie.
That's my mom. He looks like my mom.
You're Asian.
My mom's not Asian.
I know some guy named Danny.
I'm a New York.
Burp for Danny. Burp for Danny. Since he called you the crazy one.
Danny, you suck.
Holy cow. No more Coke for you. You're getting gassy.
Oh snap!
You have a real talent. I can't burp like that. Should we stop?
Hollow. Nothing in there.
Are we done?
And I don't mean the ukulele.
Are you done with your messages for James, Danny, and Kevin?
Crap, I was supposed to say something for them. Ready? See this?
Uh-huh.
It's for you, James, Danny, and Kevin.
Touch it.
Touch it, what?
Shit, are they coming? Crap, I think they're coming. Hide, Amanda, they're coming. They're coming, they're coming.
Going to their car, you creepo. Okay, I'm cutting it. Ready? I'm cutting it.